The purpose of this video is to show the unboxing of our lineup quiz lockout system. The quiz lockout system that has capacity of up to 4 teams and 7 players per team. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to show a system that has 2 teams of 5. The system comes in a very durable carrying case. It has a telescoping handle and wheels that allow it for easy portability. Let's go ahead and show what's inside the case. And take it at the parts out as they appear in the case. We have, for a 10-player system with 10 players, we have a total of 8 interconnect cords for the different players. We have a 20-foot cord that connects each of the teams to the main control console. We have our control console, and we have our player boxes. We have a total of 5 light grays, and we have 5 light grays. The system has to be powered, so it comes with a power pack that's inside this box right here. It comes with an instruction card so that people can get instructions if they need it in the field. And it comes with a handheld button for each of the players. And each of these buttons has a 3-foot cord. And that's the complete lineup system for 2 teams of 5 players.